Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 160. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 1, 8. For this column now, we're just missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 here and an 8 here, so this is our 6. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. For this box now, we're just missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 2, 6. For this bottom row, we're just missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this box, we're just missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this top row now, we're just missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 6. 2 here, so 4, 6. 6 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 2, 4, 6. And that 4 makes this our 9 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.